I'm going to do a little video here on gold, seeing how gold got this pullback today. If you've watched the nugget video, you kind of see the same situation here going on with gold. Okay, it's not as clear a picture, but I can see it. It's just gold is heavily manipulated, so it basically it washes some of the stuff out, but you got to really dig to see it. So I'm looking at here in gold again. I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we're looking at, if you watched our other video on nugget, we're looking at the SEP formation. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This formation obviously is a little bit ahead of nuggets. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've hit P5. Now we're getting the sell-off. Okay. Again, here's another example of the formation, that Doc used. Right here. Put in P5, get the sell-off. Okay, the question is, how deep is the sell-off going to be? Is it just going to go back to the 034 center line? We could possibly look at catching this for an arrow line. It could come to here. We could come just back to the 034 center line, 1271 area. 1272, we could come all the way back to the 1255. We could come back to 1242. I don't know. We don't know. We have to wait and see. Basically, looking at what Nugget did in the past and looking at what gold did when it first took off over here, right in this area, it semi-resembles the same formation somewhat in here. It's hard to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We didn't get a real big correction here. When we hit P5 up here, not a big correction, we took off. Okay? This correction here, this P5 leg down, will it just get to the 1280 mark, or will we get through this 034 center line here? It's hard to say. The center line could hold, and that would look at the move about right here, and then we can start our next leg up. So that's what we're looking at with gold. Again, it put in a SEP right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sell off. Okay. These patterns repeat all the time. You have to see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the sell-off. So the first area we're going to be looking at with gold would be this 12 tomorrow, 1272. If she gets to 12 through 1272, then we'll see. We'll put in another action-reaction line, probably somewhere in here. And the next target level we'll be looking at is 1254, 1255, somewhere in here, 1251. So first things first, you can actually just do this. Watch this. See how that caught that line? These are just our frequency lines. Double the range on a pullback would be here. So we'll see how far this goes. Thank you.